What?
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Pero siya yung unang titikim. Happy birthday to me. Sweetie, thank you.
Hello and welcome to Trending Pinoy Celebrity. Judy Ann Santos, sinurpresa ng kanyang anak na si Lucho. Nag-effort ang anak nitong lalaki na gawan siya ng improvised birthday cake nito. Napakasaya ni Juday dahil sa pagiging sweet ni Lucho sa kanya. Ngayong araw May 11, 2024, ang ika-46 na kaarawan ng Queen of Philippine Soap Opera. Agad namang nagdagsaan ang mga pagbati mula sa kanyang mga pamilya, kaibigan sa showbiz at mga tagahanga nito.
Happy birthday to you.
What's that, my love? What did you make me?
My not so fluffy pancakes and scrambled eggs.
I love you. Thank you so much.
I love you more.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Pero siya yung unang titikim. Happy birthday to me. Thank you, babe. Thank you, my love. Ah. Lovely. Not so fluffy pancakes. I love it, sweetie. Thank you. Does ikaw first bite?
Yeah. No, just so I know that I don't give you food poisoning.
Bakit naman food poisoning?
I don't know.
Was it good?
I mean, it's good with the eggs.
Birthday girls, breakfast for today made by Kuya Lucho, and Luna gave me a flower bouquet. Si ate tulog pa. Daddy gave me my watch. Best birthday ever. Eto lang.
Sorry, love.
It's chewy.
Not so fluffy.
Nalaglag pala to. Good job, babe.
What do you think I should have made better?
More practice, but so